Number 1. 1972 Ford F250, $2,000, Colbert, Washington. This 1972 Ford F250 is a traditional full-size work truck from Ford's rugged early 70s lineup. It is equipped with a FE360 V8 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a long bed. The truck previously ran but currently idles poorly due to a leaking carburetor. With a clean title and simple mechanical layout, it offers a solid foundation for restoration or continued utility use. Number 2. 1974 Dodge D150 short bed four-wheel drive, $2,800, Concord, California. This rare 1974 Dodge D150 short bed four-wheel drive is an increasingly scarce Mopar pickup. Powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it offers authentic vintage four-wheel drive capability. Stored in a barn since 1990 and last running in 1980, it is a true restoration project. Its solid condition, clean title, and California smog exemptions significantly enhance its collector appeal. Number 3. 1977 Ford F250 Big Block, $3,500, Auburn, Washington. This 1977 Ford F250 long bed is powered by a strong 460 cubic inch big block V8 with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It runs and drives very well, shows no rust, and has recently received carburetor service. With a clean interior, good tires, solid brakes, and a working heater, this truck stands out as a well-preserved and usable classic driver. Number 4. 1977 Ford Transit Truck, $4,950, Tarzana, California. This extremely rare 1977 Ford Transit truck represents a unique piece of Ford history, as it was never officially sold in the United States. Built in Germany, it features a 2.4-liter diesel engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The truck runs and drives well, retains faded original paint, and shows no structural rust. With documented film and television use and long-term ownership, it is ideal for collectors seeking a truly uncommon classic. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 two-wheel drive, $4,200, Merced, California. This 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 is powered by a 7.4-liter 454 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives but has been sitting for an extended period and will require recommissioning. The odometer is inoperative, though the engine condition suggests relatively low mileage. With a clean title, original paperwork, and a history as a logging truck, it is a strong square-body project candidate. Number 6. 1985 Dodge D250, $4,250, Bend, Oregon. This 1985 Dodge D250 was formerly owned and maintained by the Bend School District, indicating consistent service history. It features a 360 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a single cab configuration. All systems are reported to function properly, though cosmetic wear is present. With a clean title, it offers honest condition and dependable classic Mopar utility. Number 7. 1987 Ford F-150 Lariat, $3,850, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1987 Ford F-150 Lariat has received extensive recent mechanical updates, including work to the cooling, fuel, braking, suspension, and transmission systems. Powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs rich in hot weather due to an unresolved sensor issue. The truck shows age-appropriate patina and rust, but remains structurally sound, making it a solid late 80s Ford project with significant investment already completed. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500 four-wheel drive, $5,000 Austin, Texas. This 1989 Chevrolet 1500 is a clean and practical four-wheel drive pickup showing only 88,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it remains in very good overall condition and is known for long-term reliability. It is well suited for work duty or weekend use and represents the transition from classic square body to modern Chevrolet trucks. Number 9. 1986 Chevrolet C20 Silverado, $6,000 Bonita, California. This 1986 Chevrolet C20 Silverado is powered by a factory 454 V8 engine paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. It remains completely original, runs and drives well, and comes with a clean title and current smog certification. While the cab shows rust and will require restoration, it remains a desirable heavy-duty square-body pickup for originality-focused enthusiasts. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet C30 one-ton dually flatbed, $17,500, Sparks, Nevada. This 1964 Chevrolet C30 one-ton dually flatbed features a rebuilt 383 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Originally used on a dairy farm in Nevada, it has been upgraded with improved brakes, cooling, upholstery, and electrical systems. Retaining much of its original paint and character, it offers reliable performance alongside classic work truck appeal. Number 11. 1989 Toyota pickup Longbed, $9,499, Granada Hills, California. This 1989 Toyota pickup is an exceptional example of the 6th-generation model, renowned for legendary durability. Powered by the reliable 22RE 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, it shows high mileage while remaining mechanically strong. Rust-free, largely original, and very clean inside and out, it is a highly desirable classic compact truck. Number 12. 1958 GMC Truck, $13,200, Douglas, Arizona. This 1958 GMC truck began as a 3/4-ton model and has been converted to a half-ton using 1974 Chevrolet Nova components. It is powered by a 350 V8 engine with a TH350 automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. The chassis has been shortened, and the front end comes from a 1959 Chevrolet Apache. While the wiring harness still requires installation, the truck runs and represents a custom classic build, blending vintage style with improved drivability.